Wow, I'm never right. Now it happens 3 times in a row, and I'm not even happy about it.
Hey, buddy. Remember when we hid in that jack-o'-lantern so we could steal Halloween candy from the trick-or-treaters? I didn't notice the candle. My tail caught on fire. Meanwhile, you got away with 2 bags of candy. Or that time we mailed ourselves to the peanut factory. You got there fine. I got flagged as a suspicious package and spent 2 weeks at the FBI. It should have been me who fell off that ledge. You're the lucky one. You're the one who always ends up okay.
Hey, you need a break.
I'm fine.
Tell me about Buddy. How did you guys get to be so close?
I've known Buddy forever. Met him the year of the hurricane. The sky was a terrible color. Never seen anything like it. Then I saw him, the tiniest little rat. Couldn't have been more than a few weeks old.
Oh no! We have to help him!
It's too late! There's nothing we can do!
No! Stay on the door! Wait! I'm coming for you, little buddy! Little guy! Little buddy!
That's when I blacked out. I have no idea how he kept me alive. He never spoke a word about it. Or anything else. When I woke up, he was there. And he hasn't left my side ever since. Can you believe this goofball saved my life?
Sounds like you saved each other.